Alibaba's Qwen team on Monday released a new family of mid-sized AI models that it says can match or beat much larger systems at a fraction of the computational cost, extending the Chinese tech giant's push to make efficient artificial intelligence practical for production use. The Qwen 3.5 medium model series includes four models: Qwen 3.5-Flash, Qwen 3.5-35B-A3B, Qwen 3.5-122B-A10B, and Qwen 3.5-27B, all available through Hugging Face and ModelScope. The lineup arrives just over a week after Alibaba launched its flagship Qwen 3.5-397B-A17B model on February 16th during the Chinese New Year holiday. Smaller models, bigger claims. The headline claim from the Qwen team, the 35B-A3B model, which activates only 3 billion of its total 35 billion parameters on each query, now surpasses the previous generation Qwen 3-235B-A22B across benchmarks. The team attributed the leap to improvements in architecture, data quality, and reinforcement learning, rather than simply scaling up parameter counts. A reminder that better architecture, data quality, and RL can move intelligence forward, not just bigger parameter counts, the Qwen team wrote in its announcement on X. The 122B-A10B model, which activates 10 billion of its 122 billion parameters, drew particular attention from the developer community. Early benchmark comparisons posted on Reddit showed it performing on par with or edging out OpenAI's GPT-5-Mini across most evaluation categories, including knowledge, agentic tasks, and multilingual performance. Users on r/local llama noted the model could run on consumer hardware with 64 gigabytes of RAM using 4-bit quantization. Production-ready Flash tier. Qwen 3.5-Flash, the hosted production version aligned with the 35B-A3B open weight model, offers a default context length of 1 million tokens and built-in tool calling capabilities through Alibaba Cloud's Model Studio. The Flash tier is positioned for enterprise developers who need a ready-to-deploy service without managing their own infrastructure. The Medium series builds on the architectural innovations introduced with the flagship model, including hybrid attention using gated delta networks combined with sparse mixture of experts routing. This design allows the models to deliver inference speeds and memory footprints associated with much smaller systems while retaining the knowledge capacity of larger ones. The release lands in an increasingly competitive window for Chinese AI. Alibaba's flagship Qwen 3.5 Plus, the cloud-hosted version of the 397B model, already offered an API price as low as 0.8 yuan, roughly $0.11 per million tokens, about 1/18th the cost of comparable input volume on Google's Gemini 3 Pro, according to Alibaba Cloud. ByteDance launched its Doubao 2.0 chatbot upgrade around the same holiday period, while Minimax, Gput AI, and Moonshot also shipped new models in recent weeks. Early testers described the 35B-A3B variant as, quote, remarkably strong, with one user noting it feels like a much larger model than its size suggests, possessing that spark usually reserved for bigger models.